wakumana kati inosonchamisa akaropafadzwa akablesiwa aiwa atingichira nezvaadvocate Fadzai Mahere paipai inosonchamisa aiwa ane bhiza chairo sanapinda mashoko atona aiwa Fadzai Mahere achihwina a court case nokuti bva subscribe like on the bell like tipina muna mumwe gomchinzi High Court Judge Justice Joseph Mafusire ordered Arthur Petina Gapa to pay former Mount Pleasant MP Fadzai Mahere $18,000 in damages for defamatory remarks she made on X, formerly Twitter, in September 2018. Zana beda mashiko anodanyuka pana do subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panyuka pachinzi. A public spat on Twitter saw Gapa make allegations about Mahere's university admissions in personal life, which Mahere denied and sued Gapa for $1 million, citing harm to her career. Gapa issued an apology letter retracting his statements and offering a donation to a charity of Mahere's choice. Mahere's legal team, however, deemed the apology insincere since Gapa did not publicly concede that his statements were false. The case has been seen several twists, including Gapa's unsuccessful recusal application against Justice Mafusire. Justice Mafusire ordered Gapa to pay Mahere $18,000 in damages plus interest at 5% per annum from the date of judgment to payment and Mahere's cost of suit. The payment can be made in local currency at the prevailing exchange rate. Yomashika toona kuti aiwa Fadzai Mahere is a winning champion. Vanhu vanonyasa kuziva kuti aiwa kunyange vakomana the regime kana the ruling party vakada kumiswa naMahere panapa ambomukwanisi. Unoda kuti ndo vakomana vanomira nechokwadi, ndo vanhu vamunoziva kuti aiwa ndo vanhu vari kuadvocata kuda kuisa change munyika yeZimbabwe. Mutize mafunguro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vinakomesa section medu, subscribe like and turn on the bell icon.